My name is Muhammad Chris Tanjung Agustian. My student ID number is 0513711108. This is the second assignment of English for Hotel and Tourism subject. I am a student of Universitas Terbuka, UPBJJ, Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. In this video, I would like to show you people talking about food and beverage. Okay everyone, I hope you can enjoy watching the video. Thank you.
Yes,
Hello,
Reki from Malang. What brings you here?
well, I'm nearby. I'm going to have the seminar.
Seminar, yeah.
I know that your house is, so I'm going to visit my uncle.
Sure. Okay, come on in.
Okay.
Okay, Reiki, have a seat.
Okay.
Alright, so how is it from Malang to Bandung?
It's quite fun, but yeah, I come here because I want to join the seminar
Oh,
for
that's
my
good.
business.
What is that seminar about?
Actually, to increase my business, my skill actually.
Yeah, I've heard that you have started having the business and it's all about the food and beverage, is that right?
Yep, and then it's getting worse. I
Okay.
don't know what, so that's why I want to join the seminar. Maybe I can increase my skill and then make it better.
Well, that's good. Okay, hold on. I have something for you and I hope that this can give you an idea. Alright, hold it.
Okay.
Just a minute. Have a try.
Wow.
And be careful, it's still hot.
Okay. I think it's good. What is it?
Yeah, it's bandrek.
What is that?
So bandrek is actually a traditional Sundanese drink. And then how about Malang? I think Malang has something like that.
Yeah, it's. I think it's just like wedang jahe. Is it right?
Yeah, that's right. Actually, for us Bandung people, we have bandrek in the evening or maybe in the morning, and then this drink can help us to feel warm to our body, and then it can also help us to relieve the problem in your throat like sore throat and then cold and cough.
Yeah. That's why I feel warm here.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good.
Yes, especially in this rainy season.
Yeah.
Is that right?
That's right. I think I can use it for my business.
Yeah, sure, because Malang and Bandung, these two cities have similarities, especially for the weather.
Yeah. It's a bit cold there.
Yes, and it's actually easy to make this drink
How is it?
or bandrek. The main ingredients are ginger and also brown sugar. And then to give you the sensation of hot and warm, you can just add lemongrass,
Okay.
pepper, cinnamon, and other herbs and spices.
Okay. I will find out how to do it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, it's good.
Yeah, okay. Are you hungry?
Yes, I know.
Okay. Don't worry, I have something for you and I hope this can make you feel full.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, just a minute. Here, I have something warm for you. Enjoy.
Wow. I think it's very good. What is it?
It is soto Bandung.
So, what is Soto Bandung?
Soto Bandung is one of light soup here, originating in Bandung. The important ingredient for this soto or soup: cubed beef, thin sliced daikon, scallion, ginger, lemongrass, and then you can have this for your breakfast or for your dinner. And then we also serve this with a bowl of rice if you want to.
Oh, we can eat it with the rice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, and I think that there is something like this, but it is not a soup. In
Yeah.
Malang, it's bakso Malang.
Yeah. In Malang we have bakso Malang, and then everyone knows that.
Okay. Yes. Please.
I can use this for my business too. Sure. What do you think?
Why not?
How?
That's a good idea.
How if we watch how to make?
Oh, yeah, sure. Because after you watch, maybe you can think deeply
Yeah.
about this idea.
It's kind of good.
Okay. Okay, which one do you want to watch first?
I think this one, the first one.
Oh,
Bandai.
Bandai. Okay, now we can watch how to cook soto Bandung.
Yeah. Good one.
Okay.
And yes!
Both of them are quite good. I think I can sell them in my place. But how much should I sell for both?
Here, people usually buy a glass of or a cup of bandrek for 5,000 rupiah, and
Okay.
then a bowl of soto Bandung is for 20,000 rupiah.
20 and 5. It's quite cheap. I think I can sell it in my place.
Sure, good,
Thank you, Uncle. I have something new.
of course. And then I hope that you can also introduce Sundanese food in Malang.
Sure, I will then.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you for the things that you give. Now I have something to for my business.
Okay, the seminar, right?
Yep.